Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are. Welcome to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how my volunteer matching app works. I have built this project using React for Frontend and Flask for Backend functionality. So both Frontend and Backend are deployed. The Frontend is deployed in Vercel, the Backend is deployed in Render. So first things first, the navigation bar has home, about, services and contact. These are routes that are accessible without needing to be logged in. However, more routes to be accessible, you have to be logged in. So at the footer we have the API documentation, which opens a new page that is the base URL for the endpoint. So this is the deployed link for the endpoint, and as you can see, the endpoints that are in use currently are available down there. We also have a status page, which is going to show you how the server is performing, whether it is up or it is down. In home, we have a call to action button, get started. When you click on get started, it takes you to the sign up form where you can sign up a user. User 44 at example.com. User 44. So I can register this user as a volunteer. Now once a user is registered, the page redirects to the login page where a user can log in. When you are logged in as a volunteer, you will have access to the apply button on every project. So you can click on apply to apply for a project. Once you have applied for a project, it should be listed in your applied projects filter. However, in the deployed link there is a bug which necessitates refreshing the page and logging in again to be able to display the new changes. So as you can see, the first project that the user 44 has applied for has added a cancel application because they have already applied, and it can be listed now on applied projects once you add the filter. So you have also access to the profile model, and you have access to the settings model. In the settings model, the user can update their details and they can also delete an account. So I can update the name to user 44 updated. So the user details have been updated, and as you can see, the details have been updated. The name of the user has been updated to user 44 updated. You can also delete a user's account once you are logged in under settings. Once you delete account successfully, it should redirect you back to the login page. However, I have a bug currently that does not allow that, so you have to refresh back to the home page. That is for user volunteer. So you can also create a new user 44, but now an organization, so that we can see the difference. So the name is user 44. You can sign up as an organization, then it takes me to the login page. I log in as user 44, And as an organization, you have access to the update and delete functionality within the project, because each organization can add a new project, update it or delete it. So I can create a new project here. However, once I create, there is the need to refresh the page again, and this is on both local and deployed versions. Currently I'm working on it. That project has been updated successfully, and now I have to refresh this page. So to refresh it, it means I have to log in again. Those are bugs that I'm still currently working on, and as you can see, the new project has been created and added to the bottom of the list. And since this project belongs to user 44, let's try to delete that. I cannot delete that project. However, I can delete this project down here. Once I delete, automatically it refreshes that list of projects. So there are a few bugs, but I'm still working on those bugs, and hopefully I'll be done by the end of the day. I can also log out, and that is it for my project. Backend is deployed in Render. My frontend is deployed in Vercel. That is all.